Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we shall learn how to write a Python program to calculate the amount payable if money has been lent on simple interest. Here, the money, that is the principal amount, will be given as a simple interest. Then you need to calculate how much the money has to be paid back. So here the formula is amount payable is equal to principal amount plus simple interest, and the formula of an simple interest, as you know, it is PTR by 100, where P is the principal amount, T is the time period, and R is the rate of interest. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, put the video link in various social medias which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I'll be opening the Python interpreter. So now in this one I will write a program to find the amount payable if money has been lent on simple interest. Here I will be considering P, T and R. P means the principal amount, R in the sense rate of interest, and T is the time period. So this is an interpreter. So now I'll create a new file. The shortcut key is Control N. So here I will write the program. So first I will write a command hash Python program to find the or calculate the amount payable if money has been lent on simple interest. Okay, so the formula will be equal to, so that formula I will write here as a comment, amount payable is equal to principal amount plus SI in the sense simple interest, and that formula is SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. PTR divided by 100. Right. So first we should read the values of money, that is the principal amount, rate of interest and time period. So first I will write PR is a variable which I take for the purpose of principal amount. PR is equal to float, open the bracket, input, within the bracket, within the double quotes, enter principal amount lent in the sense which has been given for the simple interest. Okay, one space, double quotes close, bracket close, again close the bracket, press enter. So next one is rate of interest. I will take as R equal to float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within the double quotes, enter time period, that means for how many years the loan has been given for simple interest, enter time period, single space, double quotes, close. Then again bracket close, bracket close. Next, so here it should be time period in the sense not R, it should be T. T is equal to float, within a bracket input, within a bracket, within a double quotes, enter time period, double quotes close, bracket close, bracket close. Then rate of interest I will take as R equal to space float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within the double quotes, enter rate of interest, rate of interest. That means for how much interest the loan has been given. Okay, so after reading three values P, R, T and R, then you need to write a formula to calculate simple interest. So I will write SI equal to, within a bracket, PR, that is the principal amount, into, that is an asterisk, T into R, PTR, close the bracket, divided by 100. If you want, you can give space in between the variable as well as an operator, like this. Okay, then after that, so this will give the simple interest. But what we want to know how much amount has to be paid. So therefore I will take amount payable, amount payable, amount payable, space equal to, principal amount is PR plus simple interest is SI. Right, this is the formula. Open the bracket, press the enter key, then write print to display the output. Print, open bracket, within a double quotes, simple interest, simple interest equal to, double quotes close, comma, SI, close the bracket. Then again print, open bracket, within a double quotes, amount payable is equal to, double quotes close, comma, that variable I have taken as amount payable, amount payable, close the bracket. Right, so after this you have to save the program. To save the program, the shortcut key is Ctrl S. It will open a dialog box. Here give name of the program. So I'll give the name of the program as AMTSI. That means amount payable by using simple interest. Click on save. Now to run the program, the shortcut key is F5. Now you can see it displays enter principal amount Lent. For example, I'll give the value as 5000. Press enter. Enter time period. So I'll give as 6. That means for 6 years. Enter. Next it will ask enter rate of interest. I'll give as 10. After that press enter key. So it will display simple interest is 3000 and amount payable is 8000. So how you have got simple interest as 3000? Because 5000 into 6 into 10 divided by 100. So 5000, among that 2 zeros will be cancelled by 100, that is, then 2 zeros will be cancelled. So it will be 50 into 6 into 10. 50 into 6 is it will be 300. 300 into 10 will be 3000. Therefore simple interest is 3000 and amount payable is 8000. If you want another output of this program, just click on the script mode, again press F5. Again it will ask enter principal amount. I'll give the value as 600, time period as 4 and rate of interest as 5. So now it will be what? 600 into 4 into 5 divided by 100. 600 by 100, in the sense double zero will be cancelled, so it will be 6. 6 into 4 into 5. So 6 into 5 will be 30. 30 into 4 will be 120. So here we get simple interest as 120, and amount payable is principal amount plus simple interest, that is 600 plus 120, that means 720 rupees. In this way you can write a Python program to calculate the amount payable if money has been lent on simple interest, considering principal, amount, rate of interest and time period as the given values. And the formula to calculate the simple interest is SI is equal to PTR by 100, and the amount payable formula is amount payable is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, put the video link status or the video link in the various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.